Welcome to Roadside Tyres Limited Mobile HGV Tyre Fitting Services. Call Roadside Tyres Limited now on free phone number 0800 788 0750. For 24-hour emergency call-out service 7 days a week, 1-hour commercial tyre fitting roadside. All truck and trailer tyre sizes are kept in stock at all times, including 17.5, 19.5, and 22.5. Call Roadside Tyres Limited now on free phone number 0800 788 0750. Ensuring you a fast response no matter where you are, any size, anytime, anywhere. From Economy Tyres to Premium Tyre, all brands are kept in stock. Immediate call-out service day or night for trucks, vans and lorries. Call Roadside Tyres Limited now on 0800 788 0750. All fitters are registered and accredited and continually work to the highest standards possible. With safety first, they adhere to the sector's regulatory procedures. All work guaranteed. Commercial tyre service, call Roadside Tyres Limited now 0800 788 0750. Mobile commercial tyre fitter, call Roadside Tyres Limited 0800 788 0750. Mobile commercial tyre fitting, call now 0800 788 0750. Mobile truck tyres 0800 788 0750. Emergency truck tyre service 0800 788 0750. HGV tyre fitter 0800 788 0750. Truck tyre call out 0800 788 0750. Tyre fitting van 0800 788 0750. Trailer tyre service 0800 788 0750. www.Roadside Tyres, UK. Roadside Tyres Limited 0800 788 0750.